Hello everyone, my name's Alan, this is JA Autos Limited, I hope you're well. I just wanted to give you a guided tour around this rather lovely VW Tiguan in the background. This car's just come into us, so without further ado, here we go. Right, here we go, this is our 2009 VW Tiguan. It's a 2 litre TDI, it's the 4Motion vehicle. Car's done 84,000 miles. Absolutely superb service history comprising of 12 service stamps. Has had the cam belt changed, I think that was last year. Tyres and wheels on this car are absolutely great. No real marks around the car at all. I think there's two little marks I can probably point out. Matching tyres all round. Does have front and rear parking sensors, so let me show you in the boot. Right, we have its carpet mats in there, parcel shelf. Seats are split folding, I'll show you them in a second. You do have a spare wheel in there, locking wheel nuts, fire extinguisher, toolkits in there as well. I can show you there's one little mark on here, just here, which wants a bit of touch-up paint on. We will get that for you. Again, this wheel's like new. Tyre, fantastic. No chipping down the door edges at all. And I think there was one little bit I saw here, just a small bit of lacquer coming off the mirror. Other than that, 2 marks I can show you, and that's it. Again, tyre fantastic. Front parking sensors. Bonnet's free from chips really. I mean, there's always going to be the odd chip, but 80,000 miles you'd probably expect it to be maybe peppered in chips, but it's not. So that's the outside of the vehicle. Like I say, nothing really to note at all. Interior wise, you've got these sports seats. Your carpets are going to be in fantastic condition. Obviously it's had the mats. Heated electric door mirrors, electric windows, automatic headlights. You have your onboard computer here. 6-speed gearbox. Now I know this is slightly worn, which I suppose it would be after 80,000 miles. Electric handbrake with auto hold. Let me just start this for you. There you go, 84,672 miles. Radio system, you have that's your CD system. Have all your settings on there. You do have the cooled glove box. So the interior of the car, like I say, is really in lovely condition. Sports seats, air conditioning, and the bit I really like is this here. We do have the panoramic roof. Now this blind will go all the way back, and that lets a huge amount of light into the cabin. And then if I show you the rear seats, now these rear seats, now they do slide forward. Now as you can see, I've got this one, I've slid this one forward because it's a bit difficult to do it on my own with one hand, and the seats will fold down, so you've got huge carrying space all the way through there. And again, like I say, that seat there will do the same. So bags of room in this car. Great family car. 4Motion. Panoramic sunroof. Unmarked wheels, just 2 tiny little marks on it. Got rear privacy glass. Has the satin roof rails. Front and rear park sensors. So Service history, like I say, is absolutely awesome. I think, like I say, we bought this directly from the last owner. He's had it a number of years. I think it's had 2 cam belts in its lifetime. Last one fairly recently. We'll MOT the car for you, we'll service it obviously before you collect it. So details are just gone on the website www.jaautos.co.uk. My name's Alan. If you want to give me a shout, 0208 641 6455. I'll do my best to help you with this car. So other than that, have a great day everyone, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.